Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'll show you how to clear cache data in the Play Store. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and select Apps or App Management. Find and tap on Google Play Store from the list. Now, click on Storage Cache. Tap on Clear Cache to remove temporary file. If needed, you can also tap on Clear Data, but this will reset the app settings. That's it. The cache data for the Play Store has been cleared. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips. See you in the next video.